Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message to your gaming business leads. So here our objective is that whenever we get new Facebook lead for my gaming business in Facebook lead ads, then we want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. For this, we will use Vati and we will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And this is my Facebook page for my gaming business and it is named as Gamecraft. And to promote this, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to send an automated message on WhatsApp to these leads to tell them about my new game that I'm gonna launch soon and to tell them about the details to pre-order. So for this, I will use Vati, which enables businesses to send and receive messages on WhatsApp, and I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. So that whenever I get a new lead in Facebook lead ad for my gaming business, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers. So we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we are going to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to your gaming leads. Now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select home and I will click on create. So it will take us to the most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we will set up our trigger first and here our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I will select this. Now I have to give a trigger event. So for that I will open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I will select this. And I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So for that, I will click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection is successful. Here we have two details, page and lead gen form. So for this, let's go to Facebook. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as Gamecraft. And for the lead gen form, I will open this Meta Business Suite. Here, I will go to all tools and I will find this instant forms. So I will click here. And here we have this one form, which is new lead form. So I will open this. Next. And here we have these details, full name, email, phone number. And this is how my form looks like. So I will close this. And I will map these details in Pabbly Connect. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So my page is Gamecraft and my lead gen form is new lead form. So I will select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I will click here on save and send test request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, we will use Meta for Developer. So for that, I will open Meta for Developer. Here, I will go to more. And in more, I will find this tools. And in this tools, I will find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I will open this. And here we have this tool. So here we have page and the form. So my page is Gamecraft and my form is new lead form. So I'm going to click on preview form button. So I'm going to click on preview form button and I'm going to fill this form with the dummy details. So I will click here. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. Full name will be demo user. I will give an email. So email will be demouser@pabblytunes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this is the phone number. I will click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted and I have generated this lead. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have this response. So the full name is demo user and the email is demouser@pabblytunes.com and the phone number is this. Now what I want is I want to send an automated message to this number on WhatsApp and I want to tell them about my pre-orders details and my newly launched game. So for that I will set up my action. I will open this and my action application here will be Vati. I will open this. Now I will give an action event. So I will open this tab and send template message will be my action event. So I will click here. I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I will click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for this connection, I need to give API endpoint and access token. Now to get this, I'll have to go to Vati. And in Vati, I'll go to API docs. Here, I have this access token and API endpoint. So I will first copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that here. Now I will go back to Vati. I will copy this API endpoint and I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that API endpoint here. Now I will click on save and my connection is successful. Now I have these details here. So first I have to select the WhatsApp number. So for this, I'm going to map that WhatsApp number here and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous step and the data that is changing will get replaced by the new data in the real time. So I will click here. I will open this response and this is the WhatsApp number that I'm going to use. So I will click here. Now I have to give a template. So for this, let's go to Vati. I will go to templates. And here we have this template, which is gaming lead. So I will click here. And the template name is gaming lead, category is marketing, and the language is English US. So this is the body of my message. And in this message, I'm telling them about my pre-orders and the newly launched game that I'm launching soon. And we have this one variable of name. So this is going to change according to my lead. So this is my message and I'm going to use this and I will send this message to all the leads that I'm generating from my Facebook lead ads. So I will map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. So my template is gaming lead. I will select this. Now I have to give a broadcast name. So I will go back to Vati. And here in the broadcast title, we have none. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will type none here. Now we have this most important step, which is custom params. And I want to avoid mistakes here. So the custom param should always be in this format. So I will just copy this and I will paste it here. So you will find custom params always in name value pair. Here in the name section, we have this color. So I will clear this and I will give the name of my variable here. And I have variable of name. So I will type name here. And in the value, I will clear this blue. And I will map the value of my name here. So I will open this response. And this is my full name. So I'm going to map this. So this will be the variable that I want to change in custom params. So this will change according to the new lead. And if you want to add new custom params, you just need to give a comma and you need to follow this format again. Now I will click on save and send test together button. So I will click here. And we have this response here. And in the response, we have this contact ID. So this means that we have sent a message on this particular number on WhatsApp. Now to check this, let's go to WhatsApp. And here we can see we have received this new message. So this is the message that we had on our template in Vati. And we have just sent this message. So it is related to my pre-order and the new game that we have just launched. So here we can see that we have sent this message automatically to the lead that we have generated through Facebook lead ads. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati. So whenever we are getting a new lead in Facebook lead ads for my gaming business, then we are sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular user using Vati. So this is how I have created this workflow. So let's summarize what we did here. So first we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Vati, and our action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.